So now I have told you that we come across the mixture of solids and we can use the different techniques. So first technique was the use of the particular solvent. The second technique which we used was the property of sublimation, and the third technique which we are going to use can be a special property of the solids. Like we come across the mixture of two solids in which one solid get to show some particular property, but the other one do not show such property. So this is how we are going to separate the mixture of solid by using a particular property. That, like for example, I have a mixture of iron filling and sulfur. By looking at any iron, you can say the iron chips or iron fillings or iron nails, what strike in your mind? Yeah, you are right, it is the magnet. So similarly, we know that the iron has the property to get attracted towards the magnet. So in the similar way, we are going to separate this iron fillings from sulfur. So what we are going is, we are taking a dish in which we have a mixture of sulfur, we have a sulfur powder, and we have iron chips into it, which I am indicating by these stars, right. So they can be iron chips, fillings, iron nails, whatever, right. So what I am doing, I am just making the use of magnet. And what happens when I use the magnet on this mixture, this you can say the iron nails will get attract towards it, but the sulfur powder will stays behind. So this is how, that means here in the dish we will get to see only sulfur after that, and all the iron chips will get stick to the magnet. So this is how, that means that you can say the iron fillings are just attract with the magnet, and what we are left behind in the dish is the only sulfur powder. So this is how you can use any such property which is, you can say any different property which is shown by the solid, and just can use it that one solid shows particular kind of property and the other do not. So similarly we did for the iron fillings and the sulfur. Look at the board. How they did, they did by the use of magnet, we did in the same way, right. So they just bring a magnet to the mixture, iron fillings we know get attracted towards the magnet, and the sulfur won't be getting affected, so it will stays behind. So this is how we explain the use of, you can say we can separate these two solid component by using their special property.